The basic accounting equation is just the start. Let's expand it to see exactly how revenue and expenses shape your balance sheet. To understand the expanded equation, we first have to look deeper into equity, which is what remains after liabilities are paid off. The original equation is simple. Assets must always equal liabilities plus equity, but this doesn't tell us how profits impact the business. When we expand equity, we add common stock, retained earnings, revenue, and expenses. This tracks how your daily activity changes company value. Most people know the basic accounting equation, but if you really want to see how a business makes money, you need the expanded version. Revenue increases your equity while expenses decrease it. The difference is your net income, which eventually flows into your retained earnings. Remember that while this equation tracks value, it is based on accrual accounting, not just cash in your bank account. By tracking these components, you get a much clearer picture of business health. Subscribe for more accounting basics and finance tips.